Alright, so we're doing a Fishhook Trail in the Sawtooth National Forest. So right now it's busy, so we had to park a ways off, making our way to the trailhead now through some other little trailheads, so we'll get there shortly. It's about a 4.5 mile hike there and back, which should be just about right because we only have 2 hours for parking, so have to make it work. So, trail opens up a little bit here at the beginning. And a creek. Little chipmunk up in there.
When I was looking at those pictures, why the chickens, I actually saw one of the chickens in the trees.
Little chipmunk just hanging out there. He's a kind of chubby dude. Here's the creek. Pretty nice.
I guess this is freezing.
Oh yeah. That is snow runoff from alpine lakes that probably are 40, maybe low 50 degree.
Well, I touched the bench lakes, the high ones.
Yeah. All these yellow wildflowers. Just a whole mountainside of them. Very cool. This is the other side, the meadow. Noisy chipmunks. A little chipmunk in there somewhere. Being cute.
Ooh, pretty little red flowers.
Yeah.
I like. Oh, yeah, I've seen this before.
Oh yeah, those are the lily. And the calla lily, I think.
Oh.
Here's our view. Sawtooths are finally availing themselves. Through the clouds. Nice. That's a meadow. It'd be fun to walk through and fish. Not sure what fish might be in there. This might be the end. Right in here somewhere. But it looked like it would go up a little bit further. Yeah, very low clouds, but pretty cool. See them just kind of poking through a little bit.
Perfect temperature out here.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. That's for sure. Two little chipmunks here. Yep. The river here. Pretty awesome. Another view. Gorgeous. It's cold. Stinging cold after a couple seconds, yeah.
Even though my hands were a little bit, overwarmed from the hike.
So yeah, this is a little different part of the trail you can take. I didn't realize at first. But just right here along the creek. You just hike all the way back out. It's only like 100 yards or so probably. See the parking lot up ahead, but really cool. This creek is really flowing. It's super neat. The roots on this tree are epic. Really cool hike. Definitely recommend. I think by the time we're done, we'll be 5 miles or so. There's the Sawtooth. So we're wrapping up here.
At least this hike.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, that was just over 5 miles. There and back. Absolutely gorgeous views. Decent trail. Some tripping hazards. Just got to be mindful of. Keep your eye on the trail. And when you want to look around, you kind of just pause and look around, so you don't hurt yourself. There's some logs across the trail in a few spots, but overall, pretty easy hike, and definitely recommend. That was awesome. So yeah, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again next time. Have a good one. See ya.